Cooking can get messy. Learn how to easily remove hardened stains and spills from your glass cooktop. You'll need a few things before you get started: paper towels, a few clean rags, dishwashing soap, baking soda, a large mixing bowl, and rubber kitchen gloves. This hack will take you about 20 minutes. Make sure the cooktop is cool. Then use a dry paper towel to wipe away easy-to-clean spills or crumbs. Put on rubber gloves to help protect your hands. Then, liberally apply baking soda onto the entire cooktop. Pay special attention to the tough stains. Squeeze dishwashing soap into a large mixing bowl with water. One quick pour should do the trick. Be sure the water is warm, but not boiling. Dunk one of your rags in the bowl and wring out some of the excess water. Spread the rag out flat across the cooktop, making sure every part of the surface is covered. You'll need enough rags to cover the whole area. Now set a timer and wait 15 minutes. If the mess is extra stubborn, you may want to leave the rags on for 20 or 30 minutes. After sitting, the solution should have loosened the grime on your cooktop. Use the rags to wipe off the mess in a circular motion. Now it's time to make it shine. Grab a dry rag and wipe down the cooktop one last time for a finishing buff. Congrats! Enjoy your spotless cooktop.